Very good morning, my dear student. Today we will discuss a practical problem. We have already discussed calculations of profits and we have already checked the knowledge and rules and regulations how to calculation of a book of profits and section 40B interest of partner remunerations and we have checked already section how section 184 is fulfilled and if not fulfilled section 184 it is the calculation and residential of partner residential status of a firm we have already discussed. Now we will be do the practical problem regarding of a section 40B calculations of interest of a partners. It is related to uh, calculations. First, I will be read the questions and some information for importance for the solution the questions. This is a practical problem. Is a Ram, Mohan, Sohan are three partners in a partnership firm. RMS Enterprise having a book profit of rupees is 20 lakh rupees for the assessment year is 2024-25. After allowing interest on capital, it is authorized by partnership deed at the rate of 15% per annum of rupees 2,50,000. This part regarding of partnership deeds, we have already discussed in the definition of a partnership and what is the requirement of a partnership and how we will be calculate of partnership interest of salary. Now we will be calculate of a taxable income of partnership firms as per applicable of Income Tax Act 1961 Act for the assessment year 2024-25. Now we will be calculate this questions practical problem. This is we will be solve in this questions is first we will be write down is here is mention is computation of income for chargeable tax. Now is in the question information given profit after charging interest on capital. This amount is 20 lakh rupees and now this it will be here is add it is here interest on capital at the rate of 15%. This amount will be 15% as 2,50,000 and as maximum allowed interest rates is only 12% as per. Now we will be tax exemptions is here is less. Allowable interest on capital at the rate 12%. Now it will be profit chargeable to tax. It will be 20 lakh 50,000 because interest is 2 lakh 50,000 minus 2 lakh. It will be remaining amount 2 lakh 50,000 and profit chargeable to tax is 2 lakh 50,000. Now we will be one question is remaining. We can discuss first of all. Here I will be repeat again. In this question is RMS Enterprising having a book profit is 20 lakh rupees for the assessment year 24-25. Interest on capital is as per partnership deed is the 15%, 2 lakh 50,000 and but in these questions interest on capital only allowed is 12%. So here is the 12% is it will be 2 lakh and but as per partnership deed, firm is providing to 2 lakh 50,000, 2 lakh 50,000 minus 2 lakh is equal to 50,000. Here is the 20 lakh plus 50,000 is equal to 2 lakh 50,000. Now we will be repeat, we will do another question here is another question is just here I'm writing here in the question and this question will be discussed is just is information is question number 2 we will discuss is book profit of a partnership firm. Book profit in a partnership firm is equal to 10 lakh rupees. Payment of salary to working payment of salary to all working partners is equal to 7 lakh 50,000 and is calculate the maximum of deduction allowed for salary assessment year 2024 and 25. Now here is the we have already all the theoretical concept. Now we will be calculate here is the uh, deduction is only here is we will discuss only deduction. How many deduction will be allowed? Deduction is allowed as per this information. In this question is as per information is we have already discussed is up to rupees is 3 lakh rupees and 90% of rupees 3 lakh rupees is and or 1,50,000 as per we have already discussed in the tax slabs and calculations in the partnership deeds. All is as per this. Here is whichever is higher, which is whichever is higher. Here is we will be calculate is this amount 3 lakh rupees that is 2 lakh 70,000 2,70,000. It is calculation here is 3 lakh rupees at the rate of 90 percentage. This amount will be 3 lakh 9 threes are 27 and 3 lakh is it is 3 lakh 3 lakh at the rate of 9%, that is the 2 lakh 70,000 and 60% remaining profit. 60% remaining profit. It is remaining profit is already given. It is at the rate of 7 lakh rupees. It is as the we have already the questions in given in the partnership sale is the 7 lakh rupees. Here is remaining profit is 7 lakh is 7 lakh is we will be calculate here is the 60% is 4 lakh 20,000 is it will be 4 lakh 20,000 at BA is at the rate 7 lakh. It will be calculation is 4 lakh 20,000. Its calculation is 7 lakh rupees at the rate of 60%. This calculation is here. It is here just like is a calculation. So now is this calculation is we will be calculation of is the calculation is here is the two calculation is one calculation is here is uh, it is number one calculation. Here is the 90%, and second calculation is here is 2%, 60%. Now it will be add. It will be add is like is for 20. It is 1 plus 2 is equal to is 1 plus 2 is equal to one calculation is 2,70,000. 2,70,000 plus is 4,20,000 is equal to is 6,90,000. Okay, and in this question is as per calculations. Now rupees is all calculation of is rupees is 6,90,000 and or 7,50,000 as per in the questions in the given in the information. As per is income tax in the in accounting records, if whichever is higher, but as per income tax, we always is which is lower, which is lower. What is amount earlier? Lower is rupees is 6,90,000. Okay. I'm repeating again here. This question is again is as per question is book profit is 10 lakh rupees and payment of sale is 7,50,000. Deduction is 3 lakh rupees. Is 90% is 1,50,000, whichever is higher is 90%, and 60% remaining profit is 7 lakh rupees. And as per income tax calculation, which amount is lower, it will be deductible.